Best ever payday. Well, depends how you look at it. So this year already, we have had two 50 grand months, but that is broken down into 4 or 5 deals. Now I say two 50 grand months, one of this month we're currently at 47 something, so it's not quite 50 grand, but pretty much 50 grand, which is good going. Broken down into 4 or 5 deals. Now, we have also done deals where we'll do one deal and make 40 grand in one deal. So best ever payout from one deal will be 44 grand from a property which we agreed at discount, and then we took it to the open market and sold it at full market value, and basically had a creative contract and took a big chunk in the middle. So that's a really creative way of packaging deals as well. So depends how you look at it, but on average we do on average 15 grand per deal, minimum of 5 grand per deal, maximum 40 grand per deal. And there's a helicopter right there.